Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some more August spoilers for the Ipsy Plus box. Now this is the upgraded edition. So first I'm going to show you what we already know about and then I'll show you the new ones. So first you will be getting the Murad AAH BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, then the Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer and Pillow Pie. Next is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Then next we have the Suave Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and then the Farrah Brush Set. Now this looks like a 5-piece set. And next is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. This has SPF 50 in it. And then next you will be getting a palette from one of these brands, either Huda Beauty, Laura Sanchez, The Balm, or you will be getting the Tarte Dream Big eyeshadow palette. Now again, you will get one palette from one of these brands, so that is going to be a variation. And as soon as they come out with any more spoilers, guys, I will keep you updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.